Beauty and lifestyle expert Mickey Williams joins us with this special Mother's Day segment, sharing some of her favorite TikTok buys, mood-busting must-haves, and even a fun way to spend time with mom. So great to see you, Mickey.
Hi,
thanks
happy
for being
Mother's
here.
Day.
Same to you. Same to you. I know we have kids that are around the same age. I want to get to these items. You know how to make mom happy.
Yes, mom wants time.
Yes.
Right? She wants time with you.
Right
Most
here.
moms just want to spend time with you. So I thought, what better way to do it than just to sit on the porch with mom and have like the biggest cocktail of the summer, right? Right now, the biggest drink is the Disaronno Spritz, and it's easy to make. But what I found out when I was looking for a Disaronno, it's 500 years old. And it's really incredible. It's just amazing. $500 beverage, but it's also smooth almond kissed flavor. It's this iconic, unmistakable kind of bottle. So if you bring it, it's a great gift. You can give it to, I like to say, I always show up with my fur baby friends to have a cocktail. For the fur mamas, you know,
Yes.
and when we do, I can bring a little bit of that, and it has a lower ABV in it, so it's not as heavy or strong if you're worried about mom getting a little bit.
Oh, yes.
So cheers, mom.
Cheers.
It's
Cheers.
this little
Ooh, I'll
global
smell it.
sensation.
Oh my gosh, that smells good. I do smell that
You can drink it just like
almond.
that. It's a Dolce Vita style. It has
Yes.
so much love to it. I love that. I love that.
So tapping into mom's love language if she wants time spent together. All right, every mama needs some coffee.
Yes,
That's how we
and
get through it all.
This is the whole TikTok trend right now. This is Javi. This is the protein coffee. Protein is a big rage. Javi is like all over the social medias. What's great about it is 10 grams of protein are right there in there. It takes seconds. It's cheaper than a K-cup, cheaper than a drip, definitely cheaper than a store-bought coffee, but it also has like Amazon bestseller, 31,000 glowing reviews. But if you've seen it on TikTok, you realize that everybody is, so it's all these moms confessing to it. They have a promo right now that's going on. And what's great about this too is that it's just super convenient and customizable. You can literally make a cup of coffee in seconds. And the promo right now is for anything that's over $50, you get a free fanny pack, but they have so many accessories too. They also have a concentrate.
Oh, nice.
If you really want to kind of just have that, it's just a beautiful company. Love Javi.
Love it, love it. Gets you going. Okay, what do we have here? Now we're getting into the beauty and mood.
Moodceuticals.
Yes.
I love this. This is actually the baby. This is from Dr. Sabrina Fabi and Dr. Stephen Diane. They spent decades, you know, they have so much experience between the two of them, and they figured out the effects of oxytocin on the skin.
Okay, oxytocin, the love hormone.
Yes, and how it makes you flush, how it makes your skin look better when you're in love, all of that stuff. What they did is they created a throuple. This is really a luxe gift. It's brand new. And what this does is it mimics the effects of the oxytocin on your skin. It has a proprietary ox factor in it. It's 3, but you can buy them separately. They did a clue, but they did a code on this too. But what's amazing about this is it's clinically proven. It's not just like, oh, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Clinically proven, and it's just, I mean, unbelievable product. You're going to see it everywhere, but that's really a luxe thing, because what it does is going to build confidence, but it's also going to make them very, like, you know, luminous.
I love that. I love that. We all need some more luminosity. And what about this?
This is amazing. If your mom loves beauty tech, this is Solaris Laboratories. This is their LED hair growth brush. Look at this baby, $77.
Okay, so what's the difference? Oh, please, right? All my
what this does is it's just science.
And that feels good.
The company creates like really science-based tools that really work in real life. You know, they work with you, not against you.
Sure.
And what I love about this is it has the red light, it has the blue light, but it works on any kind of like fallout that you're having.
Yes.
They figured
okay,
out.
they figured it out.
It's great, but my favorite part about this too is it's cordless. So once you charge it, bingo.
Good. Mickey, 30 seconds to go. What do we have? We're getting through all of them.
Yes, this was a beautiful gift. This was created by a doctor for his mom because he wanted to get a quick fix for low-lying, you know, lids. This is Upneeq, and I love this so much because what this does is you use it once daily. It's by prescription only. You use it once daily, and they're these eye drops, and they basically work in 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
And what they do is they last for up to 8 hours. They lift the eyes, and because Upneeq is a prescription drug, you'll need to talk to your doctor about the benefit and risks and whether it's right for you. But the best part about this is that I, as a makeup artist, I have so many clients who use this, and it is such an incredibly dramatic lift. It's unbelievable. So if you're not going to get it from your kids, mom, do it for yourself.
Do it for yourself. Treat yourself so you can definitely not feel tired with your coffee, your TikTok coffee, and then you won't look tired either. You brought so many great things for us, Mickey. Thank you so much, and happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.